Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.3 on VMware step by step. Let's start. Before you begin, you need to download the developer version of Red Hat Linux 8 from the official site developers.redhat.com. To get the installer ISO image file, you will have to log in to be able to download the image. Wait for the download to finish. Let's begin preparing the virtual machine. I use VMware SE51 as an old one. I go to create the new virtual machine. Choose custom to configure the processor and memory. Put the name of VM. Click Next for the default value. Choose the guest operating system Red Hat. Select the number of virtual CPUs. Configure the VM size memory. Click Next for the default value. Specify the virtual disk size. Now select Edit Virtual Machine Settings before completion, to edit the boot option. Select Option. Go to the boot option. Change the value of power on boot delay. Start the virtual machine. Go to CD/DVD drive to connect the ISO file. You will see the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 boot up. After this, the installation process will start. We will get the following screen. Choose Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.3 and hit Enter. Choose your preferred language for Red Hat 8 installation. You should now see the main screen for configuring your installation. I will change the keyboard layout. To define the installation disk and partition scheme for Relate, click on Installation Destination option. If you don't want to create manual partitions, then select Automatic option from Storage Configuration tab. I will prepare a second video for creating customized LVM-based partitions. To set the root password, clicks on Root Password. Create a local user. To register your system, turn on the network connection and then click Connect to Red Hat. Your system needs to be registered to download software and updates from Red Hat. When you joined Red Hat Developers, a no-cost developer subscription was added to your account. Registering your system attaches it to your subscription. Enter your Red Hat username and password. Now select Software Packages. By default, Installer will select Server with GUI as Software Packages, and if you want to change it, then click on Software Selection option. Click on Done. Now click on Begin Installation option to start the installation. When the system reboots, click License Information to accept the license agreement. On the license information screen, click I accept the license agreement under the text of the license. Click on Finish Configuration. After the installation, you will see the Red Hat Linux 8 login screen with your username. Click on the username and enter the password you entered in the earlier steps. You will see the Red Hat 8 desktop. That's it, you are done with the installation process.
Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment. Make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss out on my future videos.